और जेएनयू के वीसी एन जगदीश कुमार इस वक्त लापता छात्र नजीब अहमद को लेकर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। सीधा हम वहां का रुख करते हैं।
Are discussed. The meeting is scheduled at 2:30. We will be leaving to the academic council venue at around 2:15. We would like to run this university in the normal way. Thank you.
पहली चीज तो ये कि एक एफआईआर आप लोगों की तरफ से भी लॉन्च हो। दूसरी नंबर ये कि जो 9 छात्र आरोपी हैं जो हॉस्टल में रह रहे हैं उनको पहले बाहर भेजा जाए क्योंकि इंक्वायरी प्रभावित हो। इन दोनों पॉइंट पे क्या?
Right. The first point is that when the student was in the hostel itself, the mother contacted the student. She spoke to him over phone, and by the time the student came here, he was not in the hostel. So, as any other mother, she was agitated and she contacted the police immediately. And we also contacted the police. We wrote a letter to them, but by then they said an FIR has already been filed based on the complaint of the mother, and our letter also is used as a follow-up complaint. And after that, we have written several letters to the police. So it is not true at all to say that we have not complained to the police. If you want, we will give you copies of the letters that we have written to the police. And as far as punishing the culprits who are involved in this incident, please understand that university has its own procedure of inquiry. The witnesses have to be called, the depositions have to be taken, and after analyzing the whole thing, only you can give out the punishment to the students. So therefore, the inquiry process is on. The inquiry process will be expedited and guilty will be punished.
सर, अभी तक आपने पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म किया जिस तरह से आपको बंधक बना हुआ है? आपको अभी यहाँ
We are, see, this is a university run in a democratic manner. We value debate and discussion. That is the reason why we had several rounds of discussions with the students to convince that the university is sincerely working to locate Najib Ahmad. If all our efforts fail, if we continue to be confined like this, as I said, at 2:30 we have the academic council meeting and we have to leave this venue and go to another venue, and if we are prevented from doing our duty, we will have no other option but take a suitable action.
लेकिन सर अभी तक पुलिस
तो आप यहाँ पर सुन रहे थे जेएनयू के वीसी को उनकी तरफ से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की जा रही थी। नजीब अहमद जो कि लापता छात्र है, शनिवार से उसे लेकर स्कूल ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का स्टूडेंट है नजीब अहमद, शनिवार से वो लापता है, जिससे लेकर वीसी यहाँ पर जानकारी देते हुए उन्होंने ये कहा कि नजीब अहमद की मां की शिकायत पर पुलिस ने एफआईआर दर्ज की है। इसके साथ ही इससे पहले ये भी फोन पर जगदीश कुमार ने कहा था कि बंधक बनाया हुआ है, यहाँ पर खाने पीने की भी व्यवस्था नहीं है। ये जी न्यूज से जेएनयू के वीसी ने कहा था।